to spend my nights out in the bar room. Liquor was the only love I know. But you rescued me from reaching for the bottom and brought me back from being too far gone. You're as smooth as a Tennessee whiskey. You're as sweet strawberry wine. You're as warm as a glass of brandy. And honey, I stay strong on your love all the time. I look for love in all the same old places. I find a bottle by the bottle's always dry. But when you poured out your heart, I didn't waste it. 'Cause there's nothing like your love to get me high. Yeah, you're as smooth as a Tennessee whiskey. You're as sweet as strawberry wine. You're as warm as a glass of brandy. And honey, I stay strong on your love all the time. Tennessee whiskey. You're as sweet strawberry wine. You're as warm as a glass of brandy. And honey, I stay strong on your love all the time. You're as smooth as a Tennessee whiskey. Tennessee whiskey. Oh, Tennessee whiskey. You're as smooth as a Tennessee whiskey. Tennessee whiskey. Tennessee whiskey.
Hey, well done, Dan! Dan in the building! Dan in the building! Louise, what do you think of Dan's performance?
Dan, I am so glad that you decided to take on that song, because I know you weren't sure of it, sure about it at the beginning of the week, but I'm so glad you decided to go for it. It was so lovely to hear you challenge yourself. It was something so different from last week. I mean, to go from the Circle of Life to Tennessee Whiskey, it's completely different. But it really, really suits you, the style of the song. You know, you really do have like a countryish vibe. and I'd love to see you go down that country road and see what else you can do down like in that genre. The big riff, you know, was a little bit rough, but the pattern you had, right, you were just slightly under, I think, but again, that just comes with experience. It's something, you know, you're challenging yourself, and that's what we want you to do. But yeah, and like the growliness in your voice in places, like, oh, it was really a fabulous performance. Well done.
Kelly?
Yeah, I loved that. I think that song really suited your tone of voice. You did have sort of similarities to sort of Chris Stapleton in there with there was certain parts where you had that country twang. And I just wrote down random words that you said because I liked how you sang them, and they won't mean anything now if I say them back. But there were ways, and we were sat here going, ooh, that was nice, ooh, that was lovely. Yeah, it was lovely. And you know, Louise just mentioned about you doing the country thing. There's this, I don't know if you've heard of him, it's Luke Combs, he sings Hurricane. I think you would suit that song completely. But it was really brave of you to take on those riffs, especially if you're not used to doing riffs and you're not, you know, you're not 100% sure of them. And I thought it was a really brave attempt. And I do think that you can do it. You can definitely do it. It just needs to be a little bit more polished. But it was really brave. And I thought the song choice was fabulous. I loved it. Well done.
Yeah, Dan, with anybody in a process like this, each week we want to see him step up. And it's all about stepping up and keeping us surprised, you know. And this was a huge step up for you this week. I genuinely believe that. Again, like, I know the girls have picked up on, like, Chris, on country music and different artists and stuff. But like I've got like 1,000 different genres going through my head, and I'm thinking he's gonna smash that. He'll smash that. And there's so many, because I really think you got one of them voices that will sit well in anything, in any style. So I'm really excited to see what you do from you, because I really do think you could fall into all different categories. And I wouldn't rule rapping out, and that's genuine. I won't rule it out, because I feel like your voice will go anywhere, even classical. I don't know. I'm hearing so much behind what you're showing us today. But this, what you showed us today, is probably going to be one of my favourite parts of your voice, in how you threw yourself into it. I do feel like you're not 100% believing in what you were capable of, just by how I'm watching you on these videos. I don't know if it's because it's filmed this way or whatever, but I want you to really, like, use the full camera with your eyesight and everything to your full advantage, because I think your talent's so big. I think you want to just bring that into how you come across now, performance-wise. Other than that, smashed out the park. I thought it was a fantastic song choice, and you smashed it. So well done, buddy.